Hello guys, there is a serious scam going on in Binance P2P exchange right now. I think I should bring the awareness, like if you are trading in Binance P2P, you have to be really careful. This is crazy. Imagine just now I was trying to sell some of my USDT at a particular rate, and the person I was trying to sell to, I don't know how he managed to manipulate the market, and then by the time I already click on sell, then his rates automatically change. This thing has happened some time ago, and I complained to the person, and the person now have to complete the money. Like he said, he just tell me something, blah blah blah. Then I was okay. He completed my money, and that's fine. Just imagine if I did not take a second look at this and then send that money, then I now approve the release the coin to him. You need to know how much that I was about to lose before I realized that this is really wrong. So let's dive into P2P here in Binance Exchange. So I'm clicking on P2P right now. So I have the order still open. I will click on orders. All right, so here is the order. I will click on it one more time just so that you will see everything I wanted to discuss here. All right, look here. I have $830 to sell, and this person is trying to buy it from me at the rate of 400 naira per dollar. Who does that? This is criminal. All right, so if I has to sell this to him, look at the amount that I will be getting, and this is really madness. I'll be getting 332,216. Man, I've never imagined like this kind of a thing can happen. So I have written to him, and now he has responded. I asked him how was he able to manipulate the market this way. Then he said, wait for the timer to cancel below. This doesn't make any sense to me. It doesn't make any sense. I think he purposely doing it. If I never complained, he could have sent this money to me, And meanwhile, look at let me take you back so that you can see the rates at which USDT is being trading at right now. I'll show you. So let's go back. I will go to home here and look at it. I will click on sell so that you can see. You can see the rate at which it is selling right now. I will type 400,000 up here just to filter it out. All right. Oh, sorry. One more time, 400,000. All right, so 400,000. That means as at the time I opened the trade with him, it was 598. That's the rate the time I opened it. Then automatically change. Oh my God. This is crazy. Like, everyone needs to be really careful. And Binance, I don't know what they are doing about this, but I really think that they really need to look into this kind of a thing. It's not the first time. If it's the first time, maybe I could have also said, okay, maybe it just happened. This is the second time. Now, let's go back. Let me show you how much I could lose from this particular trade if, let's say, I didn't complain and I just like allow him to continue. All right, so the total amount is 230.54. Then I will open my calculator right here. So look at it. At the time was 580 per dollar. So if I'm selling 580 per dollar, that's times 830. I will be getting 481,400. That's the total amount I should be getting. Now, the rate of 332,200. If let's say he complete this trade, I would have been losing 149,200 naira. This is crazy. This is criminal. If Binance is not doing anything, to checkmate these things, thank God there's a Bybit exchange. Like, everybody should jump into Bybit exchange, before these criminals like go there to mess the whole thing up. And if you want to join Bybit exchange, remember to use my referral link. It will be in the description of this video. If it's your first time to register, just use my link, and that would be nice. You're going to get a lot of bonuses, for trading in Bybit exchange. And please subscribe to this channel if you appreciate this type of awareness that I'm bringing to you. Let's grow together, guys. Peace.